Okay, check, check. 1, 2, 3, check. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome back to another Coding Not So Everyday Until I Get a Job. This is day 149, and a bit tired, but great overall. Just had an amazing chicken dish, so that's good. Enough to fuel this coding. So I'm testing again with my like TikTok. So I hope this is available on TikTok as well. So I'm gonna check as well and see if it works. If not, then it's fine. Okay. It didn't show here, but I want to test it using the other account and see if that works. Because previously it was working. Great. Good luck to you too. Thank you. I want to see if it works. Okay, it works. It works again. Test. Okay, it works, but it is using, I don't know what it was using, but definitely working. Okay. Okay, nice. Okay, I'm gonna get my iPad and just use that instead because my phone battery wouldn't last that long. Okay, so let's do that. Cool. Okay. Okay, 1 second. Give me 1 second because we're gonna continue the this step. I think all we had to do is this strings transform workshop, some quiz, and we can continue with other stuff. 1 second. Okay, this is so weird watching your own self, but doesn't matter. Halo, halo. Nyobain pakai extension. Okay, so udah, alhamdulillah sudah kerja. It's like the chat from TikTok, so it's gonna be a bit difficult because, yeah, okay, never mind. Let's just continue. So what is wrong with this test? The below your original string variable, add a console.log with the string original string. Okay, did something wrong? And why is it not showing anything? Yes, ini masih still in Germany and still looking for work. How are you? Oh god, okay, 1 second. Why is it wrong? Am I? Oh my god. Sorry guys, kurang fokus. Yes, it is still masih di sini. Masih, let me just type it. Masih sedang melawan skripsi. Wah, good luck. What is your skripsi about? Ini relearning JS lagi. Betul. Betul. Kemarin gagal interview karena lupa. Blockchain? Oh, that is cool. Tell me more. Tell us more. What is it about? I'm sorry, the typing is terrible because I couldn't really type properly. I really need to cut my fingers. And I'm sorry, I'm using my other account to chat because for some reason I couldn't access it using my own account. So yeah, and there's no like option for like TikTok chat here. I tried, but it says 404, so that doesn't work. Yes, I know. Gua ngajuin yang emang berhubungan sama fintech, jadi diajuin yang berhubungan akademis. I see, okay. Kenapa dosennya nggak suka? Is your like supervisor doesn't like it, or like how is it ditolak? How is it rejected? Damn, I really need to cut my nails. Yes, it's just a method to replace the thing. Now it's not working. It's a method. Start by creating a new variable called, for example, sentence sign I love cats. kompleks sekali katanya, dan dia juga ragu karena katanya nggak ada jurnal terdahulu. Ya, oke, understandable, understandable. So what like at what stage are you currently in? Udah bab berapa? Full AI, full AI. To be honest, that's what I was doing as well for like last month. But since I failed the interview, and I was like, okay, fuck, I really need to relearn and understand the basic again. So here we go, trying to understand the basic again. But I've been using anti-gravity, the IDE from It's basically windsurf, just like with Google branding on it. And so like, yeah, hello, what's your plan after finishing this? Making another project or adding some features. So yeah, I think the next part that I want to do is either make another project to put in my CV, even though I know all the HR reject them anyways. Hello. Nope, move on to a new field. I see. Well, it's okay. No worries. I mean, like, to be honest, I kind of want to do duck or chicken farming after this, after I get enough money. If I get to exit or do something, I just want to farm some goose, some ducks, and some chickens. Should be fun. Kira orang mana dong? Iya bang, hadir bang. Hello, hello. But yeah, I mean the purpose of this was to yap and learn English. So here we go. Sentence. Yes, betul. Yes, YouTube juga, tapi plugin OBS-nya error. Jadi pakai iya ya udah ini campur-campur deh. Single ini deh bahasa Indonesia bahasa Inggris. Karena kalau dari YouTube surprisingly banyaknya itu dari nggak surprise sih. Banyak dari India, terus ada beberapa dari Jerman, terus ada beberapa juga dari US. Surprising and Germany, not of course, but yeah, based on statistics ininya. Jadi I'm trying to balance it out. The YouTube is the same. It's Erdi Hernando. It's the same. Basically, I'm streaming the same thing, so you're not gonna see any difference between the YouTube or the TikTok, cause yeah. Sebenarnya banyak orang Indo. Ya, let me check my statistics ya. Wait 1 second. Cause the last time I check, I'm not entirely sure, but studio YouTube, a lot of it's from. Let me check. Like, where is it? India, US, yeah. Oh, okay. No, never mind. Uzbekistan. Hello. India is like the most. We have US, Germany, and of course Indonesia. But yeah, Uzbekistan. Hello, my Uzbekistani brothers and sisters that are watching. That is cool. Someone's trans. Okay, no, it's. But yeah, this is a lot of people from India and US, so that is very surprising. Okay, let's continue. Console log. Raja terakhir dunia IT. Correct. Yes. Gue dari TikTok bang udah selesai. Thank you. Beneran lebih kecil kah? Okay. What kind of project looks good on the CV? So for Suhai, to be honest, okay. Let me. Is it because okay? I think it's because my mic is just further, and this is I forgot what is it called. This is like one of those mic that captures the audio better if it's like closer. I forgot the name. Tapi kenapa ya lebih jago orang TU? Maksudnya kayak the Indians? Padahal dari secara negara jauh gak jelas. Bahkan dari Europe masih jauh lebih jago. Orang India. The thing is, kayak one of my, so when I was doing bachelor, kayak waktu masih S1, kan exchange ke sini, dan harus kayak, we have to do like a student project. Dan one of my supervisor, he's from India. And dia, if I'm not mistaken, dia dulu kayak S2-nya di Sweden. And then he work at the uni now. But let me tell you, this guy is one of those like incredibly cracked 10x dev yang kayak basically holds the infrastructure together. Basically, he knows everything, and it's just crazy seeing him like but like yeah, he's such a cool guy, very smart, very amazing, and like yeah, this is no joke. This is the type of Indians that you see like handling the whole IT department by himself. But yeah, he's an amazing supervisor. But yeah, they are really really smart. Ah, okay. Masih nggak kedengeran? Is it how about right now? Can you still hear me? Are you sure your phone is not the one like low on volume? I love learning, and this is what we are doing on this live. Maaf Bang, tapi Jojo ada karya berharga atau enggak? Um, I think I'm not entirely sure. Yeah, I'm not entirely okay. I never really talked to him regarding that type of stuff. Tapi I think I'm not entirely sure to be honest regarding that topic. So I don't know if I have the knowledge to. The thing is, yeah, I'm not really sure if that's like the correct atau kayak maksudnya nggak yakin kayak itu sebenarnya gimana. Kurang tahu detailnya. betul. Cuman kan ada, maksudnya beberapa daerah atau beberapa kota yang emang udah modern kan. Dan I think one of the things that I think I saw or I read somewhere kayak karena emang populasi mereka tuh banyak banget. Jadi istilahnya presentase untuk orang yang jago IT pun ya bisa banyak based on not only volume tapi emang kan I think emang budaya mereka lebih ingin pendidikan banget kan. Apalagi kan salah satu yang one of the like hardest university yang even harder than like Harvard or Oxford itu kan di India kan. Apa di presentasi masuknya. Exactly, exactly. Even back then when I was like early semester, almost we have like this question or some assignment that before like I think it was like before ChatGPT and everything, right? And before that we used Chegg to find answers. But yeah, if we want to learn and something, there's always some Indian professor or anyone that's just talk about this very specific topic and it explained it very very well and it's just cool. Okay. Since strings are immutable, the method will not modify it. Will return new string with a repeated count. Create a variable called paham bisa bawaan tulis with exactly. Or if not, they just like record themselves and then they would explain it and write it on paper. That was like I think it was either electronic circuits or it was some telco subject that I learned, and this guy is just like writing it on a piece of paper and explaining it one by one, step by step, and then like if the paper ran out, he just like flip it and like oh he has another paper, and it's like it was nice. Yes, true, exactly, exactly. Like even here, there is a lot of South Asian. I mean, not only Indian but also like Pakistani or even people from Bangladesh and Nepal as well. So I see a lot of South Asian from my uni, a lot of Middle Eastern as well, and a lot of Asian as well. So I think Germany in general is just very multicultural. Like you can, every time I went to the station, there's always like all race are there basically. There's always like white people, there's always black people, there's always Asian, there's always Indian, there's always I don't know. It's just like I guess yeah, it's here at least like there's just so much people, and it still fascinates me even though I'm already here for like almost 2 years. Almost 2 years, yes, but it still fascinates me. Like, oh my god, this is so cool. Like seeing so many people. Almost two. No, it's wait. No, I think it's almost. It's getting 2 years, up to 2 years, almost 2 years, but not there yet. Close though. That's at least the plan. I mean, that's the prayer. Ini akun satu lagi, soalnya like it doesn't showed up in the. I'm a fresh graduate and have recently started the full stack open course. Oh, is it from the Helsinki uni? String interpolation. Wait, I forgot. Which one is string interpolation? No, string interpolation is using the backtick, and it uses the dollar and bracket, which following option is new line character. It's actually just forward bracket. Thank you. Let's go. Hope everything ended well. Thank you. You guys too. So I think I went back to Indo in September for graduation, and even though I don't really feel that much change, even though from the media and all the other stuff, like of course it's been terrible, but at least at that time when I went back for my graduation and things was going smoothly and okay, but with the recent news and all the protests, all the musibah and everything, I hope everyone stay safe and are okay. Because yeah, I guess Indonesia is just lagi banyak cobaan ya teman-teman. Semoga semoga lancar-lancar semuanya, aman-aman di sana. Di sana lagi kenceng nggak bang Web3 Dev atau lebih kencengan apa? How about the visa though? So I am currently applying for the Aufenthalt or like the izin tinggal. So the reason I also went back was to get that card. Like I signed up for that card from like 2023. I only got it November. And so yeah, I was told to like just go back there and get the card. So yeah, it's basically like a temporary residence permit that I still need to extend. Sebelum awal kerja di bagus di Jerman dah jangan ke Indo. Yeah, I uh, I really wish yeah it wasn't that bad karena kemarin I just read USD udah mau 17.000 ya teman-teman. Oh hell no. No, string is not primitive because yeah, I actually forgot what ASCII. American Standard Code for information interchange. Yeah, the tax quite crazy here. But at least like it's being used in somewhat properly compared to Indo. the third character of a string using the second, because we have 0, 1, 2, and the third is a 2. How can you obtain the ASCII value of the first character in the string? Hello. Oh, I forgot. Is it char code? Get char index. Is it this one? In Aussie, you would ask for a lower tax option. Really? With what? How has it been so high with the full stack open course? Because I read it, and I mean, like, no, I read the curriculum, and it was like, oh my god, this is actually really good. Like, it's very modern. They start with like Node and React right away. Even though, yes, they require the basic CSS JavaScript, but like, it's pretty good. Like, you start with like making project right away, right? Is it charcode? Oh yeah, it's charcode. Yeah. Okay, this is the ASCII one. Is it from charcode? Ugh. Yes, it is. Thank you, MDN. So it has to be P because if it's index of F, it could be 0. If it's index of C, this one, because C doesn't exist. And if I'm not mistaken, index of is case sensitive. Yeah, okay. Because the all seems easy until OOP. Oh my god. I think I'm gonna need to relearn OOP again, because one of the questions that I don't understand during one of the interviews was also OOP. It includes? Says any like has? No. It includes, right? Yeah. Which of the following extracts the substring script? I don't think it's gonna be sliced, because 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's gonna cut it. How do you convert this to uppercase? It's to use the to uppercase method. How do you convert the string JavaScript to lowercase? Which of them will replace dogs with cats in the string I love dogs? So it's gonna be I love dogs dot replace dogs with cats. Just replace. It's gonna be ABC, ABC, ABC. Yeah. It's gonna be trim. Be sure to learn behind the JS, like even bubbling garbage collection thing, even propagation. Oh, okay, noted. Because I think a few weeks ago, someone recommended a video explaining how like the event loop is, and I think there is still a lot of more things about JavaScript that I don't understand. Exactly. Yeah. So how can we do this here? To get file count. Basically, strings array should do some sketching. Okay, so I think, okay, how can I? Mm, my understanding is that we need to like basically go through this array of string. You basically just go one by one, like for loop it, and check if the index is equals to either a, a, e, u, a, or o. If it's yes, then we're gonna increment the count basically. So it's really great and covers a lot of things. What uh, what have we learned? Okay, this is probably a terrible and like not good answer, but okay, this is probably not good. Uh, this is probably very, very inefficient. E. You guys probably know better, but I'm just like very, very. You don't know, so everything works. So yes, yes. You know, this is probably terrible way to do this. There has to be a much better way to make this not longer. Okay, this is just e u e o. Sorry, this is the block. What is this? Okay, this is a function block. This is the for loop block. So where do we return it? So after the executing, it's gonna do this. Or, I don't know. I don't know, man. Return count. This is probably okay, wait. Let me. I want to try to debug it using this because naive nfm get file get file. Okay, let's do this. It's probably a terrible way to do it, but it's okay. The function but bikin semua kata jadi lowercase. You're smart. Yes. Okay. Exactly. Okay. You know, I already forgot the things I just learned. Okay, let lower case sentence plus the sentence to lower case. Then we can remove this. We can remove this. We can remove this. We can. Wait. I'm gonna try to run it. Yeah. I've learned React now Node. Ooh. Which part of Node is the progress so far? How come I couldn't explain? Okay, how do we do it? Just include? Okay, how do we do? Does it take them a lot of? Oh my god. Okay, this is nice. Regex, huh? Okay. Man, Stack Overflow. Why? Why do you? Please don't go bankrupt. Keep on providing us training data. Okay, this one is very interesting. This one is literally just make it into an array. I want to try it, yeah? Okay. This could also be solved using or replaced by replacing anything that's in a vowel with an empty string with those characters. Okay. There is a lot of ways to do it, but I really like, I want to try this one using the match, but it uses var, so I don't know which one. Man, I'm already tired. Array maxing out str is fun. If array equals index of e equals this equals 1. Okay. This one is interesting. So we created the like a list of arrays of the vowels, and using the for each function, I guess this is like a simpler way I want to do mine. So okay, let's try to do it. Yeah, let's try to do that one. Function get vowel count sentence. So I think let's do let vowel counts equals to 0 for let I will includes sentence. Okay, let's try this right now. One liner are hard to read exactly. Okay. Why does it say reading to lowercase? Cannot read properties of undefined. What do you mean? What do you mean? Should I? How is it undefined? On the if you use sentence I instead lowercase sensitive? Okay, which one? On the if you, is it this one? What should I do with it? I forget to return the number. That's why it's undefined. There we go. That works. Thank you, Stack Overflow. It should work right now. Thank you everyone for helping me. You know, I should be able to figure it out, but it's okay. Oh my god. If okay, yeah, okay. The const char of sentence to lowercase. If okay. Nice. This is a much better implementation. It's okay. It's okay. Now it's time to test your. Hey, don't do that, bro. Why? Vowel count. Vowel count. It's time to count the consonants. Create get consonant. Okay, this is the reverse of it. That will be passed into the function when it is called. A consonant is any letter that is not the following. Okay, so how can we do the reverse of if vowels not include, not include? Is that, okay, no, check it does not include. Okay, yeah, stack overflow again. I get it does not include. Thank you. Okay. Oh, okay. That, just do the op. Okay, this is probably, okay, I'm gonna try it. Because, okay. It's basically the same thing, but we I, U, I, E, U, A, O, but we just put count equals to 0. So it should be like this, and then we can return count. Okay, how much do we return then? Okay, you know what? Let's do the testing. Get consonant count.js. Let's test it. And how much do we get? So what do we do wrong here? E, U, A, O, I, O. Would changing the I, O differ? I, O? No, it doesn't. Okay. So why does it Because it's the empty. Okay, wait. Now we need to remove the empty character, no? It's because there's empty characters. Okay, so would that work? No? Okay. Yes. Okay, nice. That should work. This should work. This should work, guys. Let's see if that works. Yeah. I don't know if it will or not, but we'll try. Okay. Never mind. It doesn't. Hello world should return 7. Okay. But why? Why it works here? It works on local. Why doesn't it? Okay. When the sentence is hello world, the getCodeSonal function should return 7. See? It works. What was it? Okay, no, that's the vowel at the top. Okay. I'm gonna do this like consonant count. Get consonant count. How is it? What? Why is my local function works but it doesn't? Huh? Why? It's the same code. What difference does it make? How come it works on my machine? I don't know. I don't know. Any ideas on how to fix this function so that it would work? Because what do you mean it works locally using Node and this doesn't work? Did I miss something? Did I put something wrong? Is it because of the exclamation mark? But it needs to be not in. Ah, okay. But how come? Okay. Exclude character. There is really. Yeah. Text. change? How come it works now? Oh, because it counts this and this. Okay. Oh, okay. So we need to okay, yeah. Okay, let's do dot replace this. Okay, apparently regular expressions are important. That's why you should learn that first, right? Yeah, okay, that works. Yeah, yeah, okay. Using the regex work. Okay, thank you. Thank you, Stack Overflow. Now I know. Okay, I get it. I get it. I get it. I get it. Like, that's why using regex is important, guys, or at least learn a little bit about it. Because, yeah, this should work. There we go, right? Okay. See, I already did that. I already did this. I already did this. I don't need to redo it again. Yeah. You should count the number of punctuation now. Oh my fucking god. Okay. Ah, this is not good, huh? This is a lazy method, huh? Okay, sorry. No, using regex is nice. I didn't know that, but that's cool. Oh, just change this to the yeah, okay. I mean, yeah, okay. Sorry. I mean, technically, if we're using the same logic, we can just const punctuation equals to comma dot like that, so like that, like that, like that, like that, like that. Does that work? Well, that works. Let's try, yeah? Because it's supposed to work, because technically using the same logic. I mean, we can just use a regex to find that again, right? That means there is a regex for using punctuation, because yeah, but okay. Okay, it's fine. Let's try this. Okay, yeah. So okay, yeah, okay. That's almost what I thought as well. Because if there's an empty string, that means it's gonna, yeah, okay. So it's almost correct. Okay. Thank you for the how to go to other buffer, yeah. Let me check. I forgot the keybind to go to moving different buffer. Doesn't work. Okay. So this should have. Oh, no, no, no. There is an edge case where if it's just there's nothing here. It's oh, no, it's yeah, cause yeah. No, this is much better. Because if it's this one, it doesn't have and this is gonna be wrong. This is gonna be one. Because I don't know if it's end of sentence. No, not that. Not ends with. There we go. I'm trying to do something in those lines. So I'm trying to find all the characters in a string. Oh, okay. Okay, so okay. Okay, let's try. I think this one is going to be word count is gonna be 1, I know, but if we add sentence and sentence undefined, because that means okay now. Okay. Still not working. Okay. Okay, that's not what I want. Let's see if this works. Yeah, no, because there's the it's just not just that. Oh my god, this is the problem that we had a few days ago. Let's just read a blog about it, yeah. Oh my god, this is the exact same discussion. Okay. Oh my god, yes, okay. Well, I guess. Okay. Let's just okay. Okay, this is actually the easiest one. Okay, using regex and some reduce. Okay. Yeah, okay. In the end, it's just gonna be using regex. Either way, match all. Okay. Maybe we can use the using a loop one, but let's see what the Code Academy will give. Yeah, okay. This one works. But I don't understand the test function. Okay. Okay, you know what? It's okay. I'm not gonna lie. I'm already tired. Let's see the method the Code Academy use. Which one is it? It uses the trim and split. Okay. Such trim split. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Okay. It's okay. Please let it be the end. Oh my god. Okay, I am so tired. I'm going to bed. Hi, is it hard to configure in your Vim? I'm using Astra and Vim, so everything configured already. Oops. Ooh, I've been the two. Okay, you know what? I think I'm done. I think I'm done coding. I think I'm just gonna. Oh my god. Okay, damn, that took a while, man. Man. And with all of that, we only 250, so 1/4, basically 25% out of all of this. God. Okay, world longest word finder. Okay, this is gonna be fun. All the lab and review, really like a good practice for you. Really like messes your muscle brain, and yeah. And I think what else? What else should we do tonight? I think that's it. Hey Aurora, I'm using the Vim mode. Yeah, I use Z as well in like Vim mode, and it is good. I like it. I like Z more than VS Code. It is so fast. the AI integration and all like the like agentic coding stuff is not that good yet, but I believe they have like integration with either uh like Cloud Code or ZAgent or Codex or Gemini or something like that, and I think it's pretty cool. So far, I've only tried Gemini CLI because the limit is quite high. I've never really tried Cloud Code or Codex because they are mostly paid, but I'm kind of interested, and I have installed OpenCode because I read on Twitter and on YouTube and everywhere it's like OpenCode is very good. I've already installed it, but I haven't really experimented with it. Would you guys want me to try to experiment with it? Because not gonna lie, I watch a lot of videos, like read a bunch of articles, reading like the docs and everything, and it's like a oh wow, this is like an actually nice open source setup, and it looks good as well. And uh, the big pickle and already all the other stuff, it's still like there are some free models and things like that, but we have plan and open things like that. And I really want to try to use and learn open code because yeah, it's just been reading a lot of positive things about it. What do you guys think? Like we can have switch session, open editor, different style. You can like make your own command, things like that, and it's just really cool. And I'm really interested. And because if I'm not mistaken, it could connect you to like connect to a provider. I have a GitHub Copilot account from my university account, so we can do that. We can like use that, I think. Okay, but yeah, let's try to do that later. Sounds nice, yes. This really apa ya? It really like forces you to kind of really think again, I guess, because I've been using AI for too much and doing this like problem by myself, even though yes, I know we found the answer here, but you know, not using AI is kind of nice. And this like what is it? This is again the this Astro and Vim. I didn't install any AI. It does have LSP. I think I'm using Biome and like the linter and things like that. But I don't know. Let's see. This uses Mason. Let's see. Let's update it. Yeah, using Biome. There are some other stuff as well, but yeah. But yeah, really nice. I like it. I mean, there are a lot of stuff to configure. True. And interview process didn't change. Exactly, yeah. They still require you to code. Yeah, exactly. And that's why I failed. I like that the looping material, it's just one section and the other is just lab and just making stuff and project. I think it's very nice, very cool. I think I should make this into like a repo, like all of this file. It's empty. It's going to delete it. Oops. Okay. Okay, never mind. I'll probably put it in GitHub or something so that at least there's something. But yeah, I guess that's it for today. Okay, I guess guys, that's it for today. Thank you very much for watching and learning and giving me insights. I think TikTok should be working by now, and Vim is so hard, can't get used to it. You gotta force it, not gonna lie. Even right now, like for example, some of like the features I still don't use. Like I still haven't used like advanced command or like macros. The multi-line cursor is still a bit like it's not muscle memory yet. I've only used like basic stuff like the move around and everything, and it's really nice. But yeah, I do agree. It's just like you really, really need to train and use it every single. How can I set up Vim on Windows? Um, so so for the one on Windows, I'm using the Astro and Vim. So I just go to this astronvim.com, get started, and just yeah, read the docs, read the requirement. So first you need like a terminal that has that the capability of like what's it called again? Like the terminal that could display like images. I forgot the name. But yeah, here you also need nerd font. And this is the other optional, but yeah, I guess it's okay. But in the installation, there is one for Windows. So first, I think you could from install. You can check the NeoVim documentation and Vim install. So you can go to the NeoVim website and download the latest one. Oh shoot! Okay, wait, cancel. So yeah, you can just download it from here. Check the setup. I think it will, yeah, or using the Winget or using Chocolatey or using Scoop. And then yeah, but yeah, I think the prerequisite first is you have to have like a some sort of terminal that is able to render like images, fonts like this, for example, like the JavaScript logo, all of this. The terminal I use is the Windows terminal. I use that because to be honest, I want to try different one. It's people recommend either Alacrity or Western or even like Warp, but Warp have AI in it, and I kind of wanna reduce on the AI usage. So I'm just using the basic Windows terminal. And then you need to set up the nerd font. And if I'm not mistaken, you could even customize it here. And then, yeah, the rendering. Yeah, okay, this one is this rendering type of thing. But yeah, I think that, yeah, you just need some terminal that works and install some nerd font so that it could display some of these, like, oh, JavaScript and things like that. And you can just follow the installation and setup. And I think if it's on Windows, there is it will create like a dot nvim or like a dot astro or something like that in your home directory, or I forgot the place, but it is like there. I'm sorry if my explanation is not that structured or good, because to be honest I forgot. But I think you can just follow the installation guide or the documentation from both the new Vim official website and the Astro and Vim if you want to use that, or if you want to configure yourself. I use Arch. How can I set up Vim on Windows? Yeah, so I was watching a tutorial on like setting up Vim by Typecraft. So I was watching this tutorial when I set up like and learn new Vim and all that stuff, but yeah. Oh, he has like a course about this. What I want is more of the advanced stuff on how to use like Okay, I guess I'm just gonna go to bed after this. Okay, everyone. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you some other day. Hopefully I can stream again tomorrow. If not, then the day after tomorrow. If not, then some other day this week. Thank you. I'll see you. Bye bye.